Hey, everyone, it's Betsy here. La, la, la. Anyways, today I just want to do a quick video on some information that'll help you when we get into domain and range and independent variables and dependent variables. So when you're looking at your XY coordinate, let's put it up here, XY coordinate. Remember, your X is always listed first, then your Y. The X also represents your input and the domain and the independent variable. The Y represents your output, the range, and the dependent variable. This would be something nice to have in your notes if you're in school, if you're in an algebra class or pre-algebra or algebra 2, because you can just look at it and right away you'll know which represent X and which represent Y. I put this chart up here because when it comes to graphing, you're going to need to graph the independent and dependent variables. If you can remember this little trick, it will help you determine which is independent, which is dependent. So this is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. I have another little video on this if you want to take a look at it. On the x-axis, I can make this x into a capital I, independent. On the y-axis, guess what I can make that into? I'm going to change the color here. And let's see what I can make the y into. Well, the y, guess what we can make? A big D for dependent. So if you can remember that, it's just a little trick that might help you to remember which axis is the X and which is the Y. So your independent is on the x-axis, your dependent is on the y-axis. Again, you may want to put that chart in your notes because it will be helpful. X is input, domain, independent. Y, output, the range, dependent. All right? Just a quick little hint here for you. And I'm going to move on to domain and range now. I hope you join me and have an awesome day. La, 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 la. And please subscribe.